We all are aware that Google is one of the popular search engines that the world uses, but what do you think about why it will surpass Amazon in its annual sales for 2021? What profit has it made in 2020? How can it surpass Amazon? For all these answers, we have this video today describing the Google sales analysis. Welcome back to our channel, E-Commerce Know-How, and today, we're going to see why Google will take over Amazon in annual sales for 2021. It is currently all over the news that Google will soon surpass Amazon in its annual sales in 2021. The news has grabbed the attention of many people and has instilled a curiosity in them. All these trillion-dollar, worth gigantic tech companies are now down to rigorous competition. Amazon is currently ranked as the fourth largest e-commerce company in the whole world. The valuation of this company is around $427 billion. This gigantic e-commerce entity has single-handedly surpassed all the prevailing e-commerce retail markets and other mom-and-pop entities. It has given rise to an online shopping revolution wherein transactions take place over millions of products, and these products are delivered within the shortest possible period. It brings no surprise as to how Amazon has managed to dominate the retail market. They provide a Prime membership option to their customers wherein people can get their ordered products delivered within an impossibly fast shipping service. The company has also managed to mark its presence in the OTT platform by giving birth to Amazon Prime. On the flip side, there is another mainstream company in the industry, none other than Google. The company is primarily known for its search engine. Currently, Google has realized the craze of people when it comes to shopping and is therefore looking to invest and cash in on the prevailing online shopping craze, which will soon heighten over time. It is on the verge of improvising its services to beat Amazon in its very own game. The parent company of Google, Alphabet Incorporated, has surpassed the retail giant Amazon based on its market capitalization. Recently, in NASDAQ, as the bell rang, Amazon closed at $1.616 trillion, when in the case of Google, it was $1.622 trillion. It surpassed Amazon by such a narrow rate. This changed the position of Alphabet Incorporated to the third most valuable company in the United States market. Microsoft Corporation is ranked first in the list, followed by Apple Incorporated, positioned second. After a few days, when the market capitalization of Amazon became $1.613 trillion, Google's increased to $1.632 trillion. Parallel, there was a rigorous competition between Apple Incorporated and Microsoft Corporation. The same day, the market capitalization of Apple Incorporated increased to $2.101 trillion and paved its way to being the first valuable company in the U.S. market. On the flip side, the market capitalization of Microsoft Corporation was about $1.912 trillion. Therefore, it fell to the second position in the list. But coming to the tech war between two giants, Google and Alphabet, things have pretty much got heated up. Google now wants to compete with the worldwide online retail giant by setting up its prototype. Google is launching a brand new service called Google Express. The basic overall idea about this plan is that the consumers can place their order, anything they want from their favorite stores like D-Mart, Walmart, etc., and those goods will be delivered to them in less than 24 hours. Delivering goods at the fastest pace will give brownie points to Google over Amazon. Such a strategic business plan is a direct threat to the online retail giant Amazon. It's the developed, robust infrastructure of Google that will play a vital role in this scenario. With the help of Google Ads, Google Express is leaving no stone unturned when it comes to the vast advertisement of its services. Google Express has already started advertising along with their tagline of all your favorite stores at one location. Google Express has also involved all the largest online retailers in the project. The following are a few major online retail companies that hold a big place in the retail world: Costco, Walmart, Walgreens, Target, PetSmart, and Bed Bath & Beyond. And the list goes on. Google Express will list these companies' products on their platform. As more and more companies join the Google bandwagon, more and more chances of Amazon losing its grip in the online retail industry will brighten up. The general public is quite keen on seeing how Amazon will do its damage control and come up with something big to protect itself and its stake in the online retail market. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What do you think of this competition? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.